Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. As I know your exams are nearer, so if please do comment whatever question you need, I will provide you immediately. So please do comment for any type of questions. So now let's discuss. Now we are starting chapter 2, and in that first question is define term production and explain two factors of production. So first we will discuss the definition. The organized process of transformation of raw materials into final products using man and machine is termed as production. Any by any process we in any process when man and machines are involved and we are producing something, then it's called a production. So now factors affecting production, that are land, labor, capital and entrepreneurship. We need to discuss any two types, but we are discussing all four types. It can be asked sometimes specified types and there will be problems, so we will discuss four types in detail also. Land. Availability of land is very important factor for production. Nation must carefully use their land resource for industrial use for consumer goods. Land is not freely available as its area is limited and it lacks mobility. Labor. Labor represents the human capital available to transform raw material into consumer goods. Human capital includes all individuals who are capable of working. This factor of production is a flexible resource. It can be improved through training or education workers. Now capital. Capital is the major physical assets used as it includes buildings, equipment, vehicles, etc. It also represents the monetary resources companies use to purchase natural resources, land, etc. Entrepreneurship. It usually have an idea for creating a valuable good or service and assume the risk involved with transforming economic resource into consumer products. So that's for today's video. We will meet in next video. Thank you for watching.